Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Jamaican Insider and welcome to Mountain View Avenue. We just passed by the Excelsior Community College on our right, as you can see. But in today's video, we're heading to Deanery Road and Elleston Road. So now we're turning onto Deanery Road. And as you know, Elleston Road is divided into two, Upper and Lower Elleston Road. We will explore both today, so definitely a treat for you. So as always, do relax and enjoy. Lexington Avenue on our right. Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses also on our right, and we also have Francis Avenue on our left. Georgiana Close on our right. Friendship Park Road on our left. Friendship Park Avenue also on our left. Deanery Avenue on our left and Greater Grace Temple on our right. There's so many churches here in this area, so many. Passing by Deanery Drive. Vineyard Town Post Office on our right. And Antrim Avenue also on our right. There is the St. Theresa Catholic Church and St. Theresa Prep School on our right. On our right, we can find Vineyard Road. Going by Wexford Road on our right. Grafton Road on our right. If any of these roads bring back any memories, please jot them down in the comment section below. If you used to live in Vineyard Town or off Deanery Road, let us know in the comment section below. Marian Road on our right. To our left, we can find Berkeley Avenue. Langston Road on our left. Also on our left is the St. Joseph Road. Coming up is the St. Joseph Hospital and Medical Center. Also on our left. Upper York Street on our left. To our right is Nightingale Avenue. Mavis Avenue on our left and Maranatha Gospel Hall on our right. Franklin Avenue on our left. Carthy Primary School on our right. Let us know if you went to that primary school back in the day. Albert Street on our left. Passing by Upper Elleston Road on our left, we will come back to Elleston Road in a few. We just want to remain on Deanery Road for now. Jessie Ripoll Primary School on our left. Carthy High School on our right. And as we approach this roundabout, we end Deanery Road. To our left is South Camp Road. So if you would like to go to South Camp Road, you would go that direction. On our left also, we can find the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF Mobile Reserve Headquarters. All right, now let's head for Upper and Lower Elleston Road. Heathfield Avenue on our left. Fast approaching Alpha Infant School on our right. Wellington Street on our left. Convent of Mercy Academy, Alpha, to our right. Glenmore Road on our right. Kingston College Melbourne Park campus on our right just now. Norman Road on our right. Macedonia Full Gospel Outreach on our right just now. And now we're about to go across Victoria Avenue. This will begin the Lower Elleston Road. To our right is the Elleston Road Police Station. Lincoln Road on our right. Alright, I'm gonna leave it here for today as I pass by Victoria Street. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button, give us a like, and let us know your views of Deanery Road and Lower and Upper Elleston Road. Hope you've enjoyed it. Do subscribe if you haven't done so as yet, and be sure to click the notification bell for all. Have a nice day.